night of fun, day 3 was here, and the energy only got bigger. The day kicked off with separate classes. The men were with Carlos in room 1 for Semba styling, while the ladies worked on their Ginga with Anna and Lanna in room 2. But the real fun started when both groups came together for an epic showcase battle. Let's get into it.
Right, left, contra 10, contra 10, back, contra 10, four, contra 10, four, contra 10, go, 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 contra 10 to stop. Yeah, it's the one help you turn. Yeah, so when you turn many times here, then I say turn. Change, change, and turn. Turn. Change, and change, and. So the other one give you chance to. When you turn, you need to use the step, the way, like make sure that which way you're going to turn. Do you understand? So if I'm here, contra 10, contra 10. If I need to turn, here, this one will change because I'm going to change now this way. The first one, make sure that okay, now I'm change left because I'm going different way. Go, contra 10, go, contra 10. Now I'm going to turn, change. This one, go, contra 10, contra 10. Go, 5, 6, right, 5, 6, 7, we go. Change. Nice, nice, nice. You guys understand my point. Change. 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 Now we good.
Stop, turn, slow down, slow, and step, turn, step, step, turn.
The choreography is the same, but the end is different. Just because of the turn, and then we go.
After practicing their moves, it was time to put them to the test. The ladies stepped up first, showcasing their Ginga with confidence and style. Then the men brought the heat, showing off their Semba flair. The friendly competition was on and the energy was through the roof.
We go. Line, first line, first line. I know, sorry guys. This is fun. I know already I'm going to forget the step. But I trust my guys. My guys, they are good.
Music.
Yeah. Music. Oh, sorry. I forgot already. We need to use music.
Escuta minha história morena. Ele pode ser rico e te dar uma vida de luxo, mas não vai te levar a ver o pôr do sol da Bahia Azul.
After the friendly competition, we all came together for an exciting Semba show workshop, learning and dancing as one. And just when we thought it couldn't get better, Bev took over with an amazing compa class, keeping the energy high and the vibes flowing.
And lift. Here. And step here. Front. Step. This one. Front. Back. All together. So then,
This last part.
oh, the last part, no.
So from Tahira,
1, 2,
turn the way and flip the hand with your elbow and tap, tap, tap. Kick front to the back and turn and continue dancing.
yeah.
Now people, you stayed a long time in the basic too when you came back together. So forget about that. Just go straight. Continue dancing. It's simple, okay?
Acompañado con banana.
another one.
Let's give it up for Bev. If you want to share something you've taken away from this class, this is your chance. How was class?
More? Yeah, a little bit similar like this way. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, we go. No, not tunaweza. They are trained to say tunaweza. Now they're gonna say Nairobi Kizomba Sensação, blah blah blah. Okay, so I'm gonna count. Now you guys say Nairobi Kizomba Sensação. All right? Okay, 5, 6, 7, we go. Nairobi Kizomba Sensação. All right, thank you guys. Thank you so much.
The workshop sessions were incredible. So much energy, learning, and fun. But just when we thought it was over, we got a surprise. And trust me, you don't want to miss what happened next. Subscribe now to watch all the fun games we played.
Protecting this place.